What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I am back out at Sacramento Valley Shooting Center shooting with Sons of Action Pistol for their USPSA for the month of March. God, I can't believe it's March already. Let's check it out. Let's see how it goes. All right, you guys, I just finished my first stage. Didn't go as planned. My heel was out on my first shot. I felt it, but I thought I'd gotten it up before I broke the first shot, but it was really close. And I agree with him. I probably was out still. So I also had a mic, which wasn't great, but overall it felt pretty good. I haven't shot in a week. So let's check it out, see how it goes.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, shot my second stage. Had two mics on a tuxedo target. Other than that, it was great. Just those two mics are gonna hurt a lot. So let's check out, see how it stacks up.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, saw my third stage and my match is over. I had another FTS, or I had an FTSA and two mics. There was this like double port thing with a tuxedo through it, and I just forgot. So that's 5 mics in 3 stages. So my match is over, but I'm just wasting ammo at this point. But at least I'm shooting and I'm not stuck in the house. So let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, shot my 4th stage and I finally had a good stage. I was all alphas, 2 charlies, and it was a pretty good time. I was, I think, 1 second slower than my buddy who's shooting PCC, but the other guys were running a couple seconds quicker than he was with PCC. So I think I'm par with pistol, so let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Are you ready? Stand by.
That was stupid.
Are you ready? Stand by.